In June of 2011, our realtor, Dennis Bronson, helped us buy this house. Every year since then, on Christmas, he's given us a wreath. Every year since we moved here, Dennis Bronson has sent us a wreath. He's actually driven over and handed it to us. So it's been a very good thing. Well, this year we had 2 wreaths, and Dennis sent us the third, which he always does. And so I'm putting up Dennis's wreath in the pride of place. There. Centered on the house. Beautiful. Thanks, Dennis. He's delivered a new wreath to the house every year for the last 11 years since we moved here. Very nice.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.